Let's be honest, you're already scrolling on Pinterest for hours, right? You're pinning your dream kitchen, the perfect fall wardrobe, that bucket list vacation you swear you'll take one day. But what if all that scrolling, all that pinning, could actually start paying for that kitchen? What if it could become a real, steady online income stream? So many people assume that making money online is either a super complicated tech nightmare or that all the good ideas are already taken. They see a wall and they just give up. Here's the secret. You're just looking in the wrong place. While everyone else is fighting for attention on Instagram and TikTok, there's a massive opportunity hiding in plain sight. In this video, I'm giving you the complete step-by-step game plan to turn your Pinterest account into a legit affiliate marketing business in 2025. I'm not selling you a course, and I'm not hiding the best stuff behind a paywall. I'm handing over the exact strategy I've used to generate thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions for free right here. We're going to break down the whole process, from finding your perfect niche to creating pins that people actually want to click on. By the time we're done here, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to get started today. So before we get into the how, let's talk about the why. Why Pinterest? Because it's not social media. It's a visual search engine. Think about it. Nobody goes on Pinterest to see what their aunt made for dinner. They go there with a mission. They are actively looking for ideas, solutions, and most importantly, products to buy. As of 2025, Pinterest has over 570 million monthly active users. And get this, a huge chunk of them are there to shop. Some sources say up to 85% of weekly pinners have actually bought something based on a pin they saw from a brand. These users are ready to shop. They're looking for inspiration for their home, their style, or their next project. And they have their virtual wallets out, ready to go. And here's the best part. Unlike an Instagram post that disappears in 24 hours, a good pin can drive traffic and sales for months or even years after you post it. That's the magic of it. You do the work once and it can keep paying you over and over. This is the opportunity you've been waiting for. All right, let's build this thing. Your first move is to start treating this like a real business. And that begins with having the right kind of account. First up, you absolutely need a Pinterest business account. If you already have a personal account, you can convert it with a few clicks in your settings. If not, just create a new one from scratch. This isn't optional. A business account is totally free, and it unlocks the two most important tools you need: the ability to run ads, and more importantly, analytics. Your analytics are your cheat sheet. They tell you what's working, what's flopping, and where your clicks are coming from. Without that data, you're just guessing. Once your business account is ready, it's time to optimize your profile. Make your profile name crystal clear, your brand name, followed by your niche or keywords. So something like the cozy cottage home decor and DIY inspiration. Your bio should be packed with keywords too. Tell people exactly what you're about. Something like your daily dose of affordable home decor, easy DIY projects, and modern rustic design. Shop every look with my links. Next, let's find your affiliate programs. This is how you get the special links that make you money. Don't just sign up for everything. The real key is to match the programs to your niche. The most popular and easiest networks for beginners are Amazon Associates, the big one. Amazon sells pretty much everything, so it works for almost any niche. And everyone already trusts it. It's the perfect place to get your feet wet. Then you've got Share a Sale and Arwin. These are giant networks that connect you with thousands of brands, big and small. You can find programs for fashion, home goods, tech, you name it. ClickBank is another option. This one's famous for digital products like ebooks and online courses. The commissions are often way higher, but the products can be a tougher sell. And finally, the Walmart affiliate program, a fantastic alternative to Amazon, especially if you're focused on home goods, electronics, or everyday items. My advice, start with one. Get approved for Amazon Associates, learn how it works, and then you can branch out to other networks as you grow. Okay, this is where the magic happens. Follow these steps and you will start seeing results. Step 1. Create niche-specific boards. Your Pinterest account needs to be clean and organized. Think of your boards like the aisles in a store. Each board should be focused on a super specific topic in your niche. If your niche is home office design, don't just make one board, make several: minimalist home office, comfy office chairs, WFH desk gadgets, and creative office lighting. Remember to use keywords in your board titles and descriptions. This is how you tell the Pinterest algorithm what your content is about, so it can show your pins to the right people. Step 2, design pins that stop the scroll. Your pin is basically your storefront window, so it really needs to grab attention. Here's how you can do that. Go vertical. Use a 2:3 ratio. The standard size is 1000 by 1500 pixels. Tools like Canva, for example, have ready-made templates for this, which makes things much easier. Use great visuals. Make sure your images are bright, clear, and eye-catching. No blurry photos. Add a text overlay. This is honestly a game changer. Put a bold, catchy title right on the pin image. Something like 5 Amazon finds to transform your living room. And don't forget to write a catchy title and description. Your pin's title should be keyword rich, and the description is where you can add more detail and related keywords. Tease what the user will find when they click. Step 3, linking like a pro and staying out of trouble. Now this is the most important part, adding your affiliate link. When you create a pin, you'll see a field for a destination link. This is where you'll paste your unique affiliate link, and this is extremely important. You must disclose that it's an affiliate link. This is required by the FTC and Pinterest. While a hashtag like #ad or #affiliate link is common, the best practice is to be even clearer. A simple sentence like, "I may earn a commission from this link," at no extra cost to you in your pin description is perfect. Transparency really does build trust. Step 4, pin consistently. Pinterest absolutely loves creators who are active. When you're just starting out, aim to post between 2 and 5 new fresh pins every day. A fresh pin is just a new image or video that hasn't been on Pinterest before. Don't just repin the same exact thing over and over. That might sound like a ton of work, but don't worry, that's what scheduling tools are for. If you're getting some value out of this video, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It tells YouTube you're enjoying the content and helps get this guide in front of more people who want to build their own online income. And definitely subscribe, because we're about to get into the really good stuff. Okay, you've got the basics down. Now, let's talk about how you can scale this into a serious income stream. Advanced Strategy 1, the bridge page. Instead of sending people directly from your pin to a product page, you can send them to a bridge page first. This is just a simple one-page website or blog post that you control. On that page, you can warm up the reader by providing even more value. For example, you could write a post called "My 5 Favorite Coffee Makers Under $100" and include your affiliate links for each product in that article. Why bother? It builds trust, gives you more room to sell, and lets you put multiple affiliate links in one place. And best of all, it allows you to start an email list, which is the most valuable thing you can own online. Right, so here's advanced strategy number 2. Use scheduling tools to your advantage. Pinning manually every single day is honestly a fast track to burnout. Tools like Tailwind, which are official Pinterest partners, let you schedule your pins weeks or even months ahead of time. You can just sit down for a couple of hours on a Sunday, schedule everything for the week, and then let the tool post for you at the best times. This keeps you consistent and, more importantly, frees you up to focus on what really matters: creating great content. Advanced Strategy 3, test everything. Don't just guess what works, test it. Create 2 different pins for the exact same affiliate product. Use a different photo, a different headline, or a different description for each one. Then check your Pinterest analytics to see which pin gets more clicks and saves. Once you find a style that wins, make more like it. This is what separates the pros from the people who are just hoping for the best. Advanced Strategy 4. Go deep in your niche. Figure out what's hot in your niche and create content that people are actively searching for. For example, in home decor, make pins about seasonal trends like cozy fall porch ideas, fun DIY projects, or room makeovers. Mood boards are huge in this space. In fashion, focus on outfit of the day looks, seasonal must-haves, or styling guides, such as 5 ways to style a basic white tee. For tech, create pins for best gadgets for students, ultimate gaming desk setups, or product comparisons and reviews. Check out the Pinterest Trends tool to see what keywords are blowing up in your niche and jump on them. It's so important to play by the rules. Pinterest is protective of its user experience, and if you seem spammy, they will not hesitate to shut your account down. First, always disclose. Like we talked about, you have to be transparent. Use clear language like "this is an affiliate link" or hashtags like #ad or #sponsored on every single pin with an affiliate link. Second, don't be spammy. Never post the same affiliate link on dozens of pins back to back. You need to mix in content that's just pure value like tips, tutorials, or inspiration. A good rule of thumb is to have about 80% helpful content and 20% affiliate content. Third, don't use link cloakers. Pinterest wants to see the final URL. Don't use generic shorteners like bit.ly to hide your affiliate links, as this can get your account flagged as spam. Paste the full raw link that the affiliate program gives you. And finally, stay on top of the rules. Pinterest's guidelines can and do change. Take a few minutes every few months to review their community guidelines just to make sure you're still doing everything right. You now have the entire game plan. We've covered why Pinterest is such a powerful tool, how to set up your account for success, the exact steps for creating and publishing pins that make you money, and the advanced strategies to take it to the next level. The only thing left to do is actually start. Don't get stuck overthinking it. You don't need a perfect website or a huge following to begin. Just start with one niche. Join one affiliate program. Create one pin. Then do it again tomorrow. Consistency is what will drive your success. The time you spend scrolling on Pinterest can either be a distraction or it can be the start of a new income stream that actually changes your life. It's up to you. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-fluff guides to making money online. Now go get started.